Hello everyone, we are solving problems on the superposition theorem. And that next question is find current Ix in the following circuit by using superposition theorem. This is the given circuit. Here we have two independent sources and one dependent source. So by using superposition theorem, only one source must be acting alone. Okay, if 10 volt source acting alone, current source must be open circuit. So case 1, the circuit becomes like this. The response due to 10 volt source, let it be Ix1. Here this is case 1, so it is Ix1 and it is Ix1. By KVL, what we are getting? 10 minus 10 plus 2 Ix1 plus 3 Ix1 here plus 2 Ix1 is equal to 0. From this, what is Ix1? Ix1 is equal to 10 by 7 amps. Okay, now case 2 is 3 ampere source acting alone, then voltage source is replaced by short circuit. The circuit becomes like this. Okay, here the current is Ix2. The response due to 3 ampere source is Ix2 and it is also Ix2. Let it be VA. So write the node equation at VA. Node equation at VA. What we are getting? VA by 2. This current is coming towards to node, so minus 3 plus VA minus 2Ix2 by 3 is equal to 0. So 3VA minus 18 plus 2VA minus 4Ix2 is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. If you observe here, the current is enter here, so it is positive, and current is leave here, so it is negative. Let it be V1. So what is V1? V1 is equal to 2Ix2. By Ohm's law, V1 is equal to 2Ix2. But here the voltage across this node and this node is VA from here to here. So same voltage. Okay, this is same voltage across this 2 ohms. This VA is voltage across 2 ohms. But here the voltage across 2 ohm is V1, but direction is reverse. Okay, this is plus, this is minus. Or you can apply KVL. So what is VA? VA is equal to minus V1. So already here we have V1 is 2Ix. So this is minus 2Ix2. So what is VA now? Minus 2Ix2 from 1. So this is 5VA. So 5 into minus 2Ix2 minus 4Ix2 is equal to 18. From this we get Ix2 is minus 18 by 14. This is minus 9 by 7 amps. By superposition theorem, so what is Ix? Ix is equal to Ix1 plus Ix2. So what is Ix? 10 by 7 minus 9 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7 amps. For the same circuit, apply Telegen's theorem. So what is the Telegen's theorem? The power delivered by the all sources is equal to power absorbed by all elements in the given circuit. Okay, so here if you observe this is 10 volt source, so current is leaving the positive terminal of source. So here power is delivered by 10 volt source, so the 10 volt source is delivering the power, and this is passive element, it is absorbing the power, and it is also passive element, it is absorbing the power. And find the value of voltage across this current source, that is, let it be VA. So by KVL, what is VA? So this is the current direction, minus 10 plus 2Ix plus VA is equal to 0. So minus 10 plus 2 into 1 by 7 plus VA is equal to 0. From this, minus 68 by 7 volts. So this is plus 68. Plus 68 by 7 volts. So here this is plus, this is minus. Here also the current is leaving the positive terminal of voltage. So here 3 ampere source is also delivering the power. Now coming to here, find the current IDs, that is current flowing through dependent source. So what is ID? ID is equal to VA minus 2IX by 3. So what is VA? 68 by 7 minus 2 by 7 by 3. By solving this, you will get 22 by 7 amps. Here this is positive. 22 by 7 amps is positive. So here current is entered positive terminal of 2ix. If it is negative, the current is leaving. If it is negative, current is leaving, then this source is delivering the power. But here this is positive, the current is entering at positive terminal of source, so the dependent source is absorbing the power. Now, so the power delivered by 10 volt source is, in general we are taking power delivering is negative, so minus V into Ix, that is equal to minus 10 by 7 watts. This is delivering. Now P3 amps, it is also delivering the power, that is minus VA into I. So we got VA is 68 by 7 volts. So 68 by 7 into 3, this is minus 204 by 7 watts. This is also delivering. Now P2 ohms. P2 ohms is I square R. So this is Ix square. So 1 by 7 whole square into R is 2 ohms. You will get this is 2 by 49 watts absorbing. P3 ohm is ID square R. So what is ID? 22 by 7 square into 3. You will get 1452 by 49 watts. This is also absorbing. Now P dependent source, that is 2ix1 is equal to R2ix. So what is the power delivered by, power absorbed by 2ix, that is dependent source, Vi. So the voltage is 2ix. Here the voltage value is 2ix and current is ID, that is 2 into Ix is 1 by 7 and current is ID. So what you are getting? 22 by 7. If you solve this, you will get 2Ix is equal to 44 by 49 watts. The source is absorbing the power, dependent source is absorbing the power. Now what is the power delivered? Power delivered is equal to P10 volts plus P3 ampere source. So you will get minus 214 by 7 watts. Okay, this is delivering. Now what is P absorbing? P absorbing is equal to P2 ohm plus P3 ohm plus P2Ix dependent source. If you add these three, you will get 214 by 7 watts. This is absorbing. So here it is 214 by 7 watts delivering. Here it is 214 by 7 watts absorbing. So power delivered is equal to power absorbed. So Teljan's theorem is verified. In the next video, we will discuss some more problems on this concept, that is superposition theorem. Thank you for watching.